Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make this dollhouse and this pool that can hold real water. Start by cutting out these pieces of foam board according to those measurements and wrap them in contact paper. In case you're wondering why I'm also using cardboard, that's simply because I didn't have enough foam board left. Now I'm using a big plastic box which is about 80 centimeters long and 50 centimeters wide. I will write the name of the box in the info section underneath the video in case you wanted to use the same. Place a foam board around the box and glue them together like you see me doing it in a video. As you can see, I left some space here and on this side as well because I want to build a platform with popsicle sticks on which the dolls can sit and walk. I'm using clear plastic from packaging for the windows in the bathroom and glue more popsicle sticks around the edges on the inside of the house, and now repeat the steps on this side to make a second window. If you want to know how I made these curtains and the bed, make sure you watch the video that I linked in the info box. To make the window blinds, I'm using a placemat and a wooden craft stick. Make sure that the craft stick is a bit longer on both sides if you want the window blinds to stay in place when you roll it up. Glue 1 or 2 popsicle sticks to the beam that divides the window depending on the thickness of your craft stick. Now glue another popsicle stick on top. Make sure that it protrudes beyond the other ones by at least 1 centimeter so that it can hold the window blinds. I'm using blue food coloring. If you don't want to do that, you could also use blue paper on the outside of the box or glue it to the surrounding foam board. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow Fun and Craft on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!